Showbiz Teens.
Very nice. Hold on.
Yeah.
Alright. Wow.
Hello, ano pangalan mo?
My name is Andrea Elaine A. Julian po.
Andrea, sino ang favorite singer mo?
My favorite singer po is Karen Carpenter. I was inspired po by my grandparents, kaya po nagustuhan ko po siya. Ayun po.
It sounded like that.
Diba?
Na it
Thank you
sounded
so
like
much
that. You are an old soul nga eh. Kaya ako
Thank you
napaikot
po.
eh. Malaking influence rin yung sound trip ng mga grandparents ko rin eh. Sila, mga Nat King Cole, Frank Sinatra, gano'n. So nung bata ako, yun ang parang first, of music eh. So, I understand where you're coming from eh. And I would like to have an old soul like yourself
Nice.
to be a part of Camp Kawayan. I'm so curious about you. Sa ganitong era, parang you're a rarity eh, no? Parang
Yeah. Sa edad niya.
hindi madami katulad mo eh. Gusto ko lang umupo lang dyan, mag-usap tayo sometime. If I can get that chance to be your coach.
It's a loss for me na hindi ako umikot. Masyado kong ninamnam yung performance mo kasi unang-una pa lang yung Carpenters kasi influence ko din sila. Narinig ko yung sarili ko sa kanila nung time na bumababa na yung boses ko. Ikaw sobrang bata mo pa, pero Carpenters na yung kinakanta mo. And kahit sinasabi mo na sila yung influence mo at naririnig namin siya sa iyo, hindi siya tunog na ginagaya mo sila. It sounds natural to
At
you.
first I thought, that song, baka parang hindi pang competition yung song. Pero that voice, and now that face, that girl, for you to be so young, to invest in singers like Karen Carpenter, to take a chance sa mga songs, sa mga old classic songs, for me, that shows how responsible you are to A, remember the path that was made for the singers today, and where you are on your way to. In fact, I'll take it one step further. If you're going to do a classic song, I think you need a classic look.
A classic look.
Are you
Okay.
saying because she's an old soul, she should go
She
to
needs
the
an old soul, she needs an old
The oldest soul.
microphone.
A joke.
You have an old microphone, I'll hold the new one.
Ay,
An old song
Parati
and an old kaduet.
That always feedbacks. That's not
Does
a
it
good mic,
feedback?
dude. There's a reason why they cut that out.
With a classic microphone, you two become a classic singer. Ready? I'll be Richard. You start.
Day after day, I must face a world of strangers where I don't belong. I'm not that strong.
May mic. Bagong
It's
mic.
nice to know that there's someone I can turn to who will always care. You're always there when there's no getting over that rainbow. When the smallest of dreams won't come true, I can't take on the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. Someday, and I end up singing, trouble seems to open this street.
I can hear her better.
I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you.
This is the greatest showdown. Microphone ni Sir Martin at microphone ni Sir Bamboo. Tapos ang pipiliin niyang coach yun yung
Tama.
microphone na iaangat niya.
Ang galing!
Or yun yung microphone na iahagis mo. Hawakan ko na muna yung medyo pang sa akin na mic.
So, ang pipiliin ko pong coach, sa tingin ko po talagang bagay po sa akin yung coach na to. Magaling po siya. And isa rin po siya sa mga pinapakinggan ko. Isa po sa songs ni Mrs. Karen Carpenter, kinanta niya po. Ayun. Ayun po. Tapos,
That is not
ayun
He's
po.
done.
It's a spoiler. It's done.
Ang pipiliin ko pong coach,
Wait.
Hala!
Give me my mic. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. We're good. We're good.
ito na lang muna ang microphone ni Sir Bamboo, ay ni Coach Bamboo.
Ang pipiliin ko pong coach ay si Coach...
Oh my God! On the Mars team, Andrea!
I'm on the top of the world, singing down on creation, and the only
Explanation
I can
People in the world, come on! It's the
love that I found ever since you've been around. Your love put me at the top of the world.
Andrea!
Thank you po.
Let's hear it for Coach Bamboo, come on!
Nice one, nice one.
I want you!
What is your name?
I'm Kevin Andre R. Mirasol.
Wow, ilang taon ka na?
Good job, Kevin.
Hulaan mo. 16 years old ba?
12.
Ay, true! 16 years old.
16. Oh my gosh, pwede kaming barkada.
Gora! Laban, di ba?
If I can't be your coach, I can be your friend. Dahil 16 ka pa, Gen Z ka, anong favorite mong Gen Z slang?
Ukay to the go. Di ba?
Ano ibig sabihin ng ukay to the go?
Ukay to the go is parang di mo kailangan gumastos ng sobrang laki para, di ba, mas magmukhang maayos.
Vintage.
Yes! Tignan mo.
Ganon.
Ukay. 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 Di ba, laban?
Ano ibig sabihin?
Ukay to the go, ibig sabihin, pag tinanong ko, saan galing na damit na? Ukay to the go.
True!
It just means na nakuha niya yung damit sa ukay-ukay. Yun.
Ukay means,
Ay, hindi niya alam yung ukay-ukay.
ukay, di ba you bury them?
Ay, ang galing! Joker siya!
Ukay.
Alam mo na, pag nakapili ka na ng coach, yung coach mo dadalhin mo sa ukay-ukay.
True! Sabay kami
So,
mag-ukay na Ate
ganito
Casey.
yun. Ganito po yun,
Bamboo,
Coach
what's
Bamboo and Coach Martin.
It's like shopping, right? It's thrifting, it's thrifting.
Oh, yan, thrift.
Oh,
Yo, dude,
thrift
it's thrifting.
shopping.
Yeah, yeah. Thrifting.
Oh, right.
Oh my gosh, na-excite ako. Ang dami niyong matututunan sa kanya.
Pero hindi ka umikot. Yun ang
Kasi Ate Casey,
nakakatawa.
konting gano'n na lang, oh.
Ay. Oh my gosh.
Oh my
Ito
gosh.
na nga, hindi lang ako umikot. Siguro, naghintay lang din ako ng special moment. Pero, alam ko na alam mo na your voice is changing at naririnig ko yun sa performance mo. Pero, ang ganda din na alam mo kung ano yung kanta na babagay sa pagbabago ng boses mo. So, I am so excited na makita ka at marinig ka sa mga kanta ng coach na pipiliin mo para sa iyo. And I'm so excited to have more fun with you in the future, you know.
Okay. Problema natin, Kevin. Parang hindi tayo nagkakaintindihan. Eh. Nag-uusap kayo ni Coach Casey. I'm like, what the heck are these guys talking about? So, I'm being honest with you, Kevin. So, kung ganun yung conversation nyo, kala ko ng translator. Baka tulungan mo ako. Kasi wala ako naiintindihan sa whatever you guys were talking. Gusto ko energy levels mo, makulit ka. I like that on my team. Diba? Yun na ano ko. So, masaya tayo sa Camp Kawayan. Why do you keep touching your ear, dude? Come on, no, his ear. I know.
Parang kaya din ni Sir Martin yun,
What's
no?
that?
Ano?
I don't know, dude.
Yung gano'n, no? Ay, taray, laban siya.
Yung pinili mong artist for this audition, of course, is from Camp Kawayan, di ba? So, I appreciate that. But that's not the only reason why I turned, no? I think lang, again, nasabi ko ilang beses na sa show na to, in all the years, is naghahanap ako, kung mag-cover ka ng kanta, gumawa ka ng sarili mong version. Yung mga piyok mo, yung mga weaknesses mo, yun ang nagustuhan ko sa boses mo eh. Na parang hindi aksidente, may intention. Hindi ganun kahirap tayo mag-communicate as artists. As ukay buddy, it's Coach KZ, right? But for music and whatever, if you want to guide to this competition, it's me. I would like to have you as an artist on Camp Kawayan. Huh?
Kevin, I need you on my team. Alam ko, mas bagay si si Ukay-Ukay Queen. Actually,
Pero sabihin mo, mas may budget kang pang ukay-ukay.
yung umikot yung chair ko, doon ako tumitingin, alam ko kung bakit umikot yung chair ko. Pag nakita ko kayo at tapos nagsasalita ka ng Gen Z, I forgot why. I forgot everything.
Pareho lang, see?
I lost it all. So I think kung mag-join ka ng Mark team, sing ka na lang. We cannot talk. You and I. But you know what? Yung attitude mo, yung stage presence mo,
I
you
agree.
know how to sell a song.
I agree.
Yan ang mahirap sa mga bagets ngayon. Nagto-close yung eyes, kumakanta, dahil feeling nila yun lang ang gagawin. Hindi. Kailangan ibenta mo yung kanta. Kailangan may tiwala ka sa mga lyrics na kinakanta mo. And I see that and I hear that.
Yeah.
I could hear it without looking at you. I can tell, nag-enjoy ka, na ukay-ukay yung boses mo.
Same lang.
Yes, very nice. But you have to make a decision.
Okay.
Okay, ito
Who
na
will it
nga.
be? Cam Kawayan or Mark Team? Come on. Make the
Narinig mo
right
na.
choice, baby.
Narinig mo na ang dalawang coaches.
Ukay-ukay to.
Ngayon, nasa iyo na ang
Luma to.
desisyon.
Luma. Galing sa lolo
Who
ko to
are
eh.
you picking as your coach?
Siguro po, kaya ako po siya pipiliin na coach ko is, simula nung una pa lang, alam ko talaga na matutulungan niya ako na mag-grow as an artist, as a singer. Ayun po. Ang pipiliin ko po na coach is...
You never know. They always surprise you.
Coach Bamboo po.
Yeah! It's all Kevin! Yeah! And you are an artist. Such presence and intelligence, huh? Thank you very much. Welcome to Kev Kawayan. Alam mo na to, no?
Bagay sila.
Years na to.
Aasahan ko pong mag-ukay-ukay po kayo.
Hi!
Hello po.
Ano pangalan mo?
Divine po.
I don't know why kung hindi ako umikot yung chair ko dahil I don't know kung ano, hintay pa ako sa isa pang high note or I don't know. I don't want to get technical dahil that was a beautiful job. A beautiful voice and I think you still have a long, long way to go with that voice. Thank you so much for impressing all of us with that divine voice of yours. Thank you so, so much.
Gusto ko yung kanta, gusto ko kung paano mo siya sinimulan. Pero nung gumigitna na, naririnig ko na ina-anticipate mo na napapunta na ako sa mabigat na parte ng kanta. So yung connection na nakuha ko sa'yo nung simula, para siyang medyo nawala nung gitna. Siguro next time, just work on not just anticipating a certain part of a song. Alagaan mo din yung middle, yung simula. Kasi yun yung yun yung parang panimula mo sa amin eh. Doon mo kami mahuhuk. Uy, okay, gusto ko pa siyang pakinggan.
I felt so close to hitting this But I guess that one moment didn't hit me nga diba? I was waiting to the last second talaga. But you have such a powerful instrument, right?
Don't let these 3 chairs today define what you did today. Because I know marami kang pwedeng gawin.
Yes.
Marami kang mga talents. No? Anong mga skills ang proud ka na kaya mong gawin?
Pinaka-proud po ako is pamamalengke po.
Talaga?
Ako, kasi po nung bata po ako, dahil nga po dun sa nangyari sa mom ko, parang kailangan ko pong gawin yung mga ginagawa niya po dati. Isa na rin po yung pamamalengke doon. Apo. And si Coach KZ po ang gusto kong maging tendera for today po.
Pinaparusahan mo ba ako? Sila din naman.
Okay, KZ?
Bili na.
She's going to
Sitcom
shop
pala
for
to. Oo, 5,050 cents.
Wow!
Ate, 5,000. Huwag na yung 50 cents.
4,500.
Hello, yung... Gusto ko 5,000. Gusto ko 5,000.
Gusto niya
Kakataan
ng
kita.
5,000?
Sige, sa'yo na to para makauwi na.
Ano, ayoko. Gusto ko isa lang.
Isa lang ba?
Isa lang.
Be, pamilya sila. Paghihiwalayin mo ba sila?
Isa lang gusto ko ito lang.
Masama ng ugali mo, paghihiwalayin mo ang pamilya. Pag tinanggal mo siya, siya ang breadwinner ng pamilya nila. Anong kakainin ng 4? Isama mo na.
Hala, ano ba yan? Ayoko nga kasi. Isa na lang.
Bibili lang, nakikipag-away pa.
5,000. Deal or no deal?
Sige na nga, o, isa na lang.
Ayan, thank you. Oh, di ba? 5,000, very worth it.
4-5 yung benta ko sa'yo.
At least naka-discount po tayo ng 50 cents from Coach Casey.
Galing!
Apakagaling tumawad, life-changing.
Ayun. Thank you po.
Be, pagsamahin mo na
Thank
yung
you so
pamilya.
much, Divine.
Thank you, Divine. Ang galing mo
Divine,
naman.
you keep singing now. Keep singing, okay? Because you've got it. Keep singing it.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Hello, hello.
Hello,
Alright. Okay. Hello, ano pangalan mo?
Ako po si Hemarine Hope Isibial, but Hope na lang po for
Hope.
short.
Well, Hope, first things, congratulations to you na umikot si Coach Casey. Deserving ka na you're part of the Voice family, right? Ano comment ko lang doon is, you do have the instrument, no? Sabihin, meron kang boses, kailangan mo lang i-navigate kung paano ilalabas yung story from beginning to end.
You really belong in a singing competition. Dahil yung boses mo, pang competition talaga. Ang dahil ako hindi ako umikot dahil there's a thing called parang over-singing sometimes na hindi naman kailangan sa iba-ibang parts ng song. And I think Casey is the expert to teach you kung paano mag-oversing, undersing, yung tamang delivery. She can do that. So you are on the right team. You have the right coach. So I'm happy for you, Hope. Congratulations.
Hi, Day Hope. Sa mga hindi po nakakaintindi ng Bisaya, magsisimula na po ang subtitles ngayon.
Go.
Day Hope, how'd ka ika? Wala ko kasabot kung ano, wasala natuyok, no? Pero siguro gituyo na lang dyan sa Ginoo nga. Kitang duha ang magkuyog. Kay, pasag di na sila mga lakaw man sila yung tuyok nimo, ako naman yung tuyok nimo.
Ikaw na, ako.
Kabaw ka, na-feel na ko na,
Bahala na kayo. Sama.
na-feel na ko na tama sila. Na yung mga parts na usahay, nakaingon po ko na, dapat wala na niya gibuhat. Na yung parts na unta, mas gisimplify niya. Na yung parts na unta, gitulak
You're
pa
on
niya
your own.
gamay. Pero all those things, pwede na to siya trabahoon. Now, what we have to do
read the subtitles.
is to just know kung asa dapit effective ibutang. Like, nag-whistle ka ganina. I know you can do it. I think, dili siya kinahanglan sa kanta ganina, but I felt like sa mga next nimo na performances, ato lang piliyon, nag-asa siya pinaka-ma-appreciate sa mga tao kung bagay ba siya? Does it add value to the performance?
English.
Muna, pinaka-una to.
Go back.
Sige nga po, medyo bumalik na lang kayo dito.
English
Kawawa
yan eh.
naman kayo.
Yeah, I heard
Bisaya
that.
na naman ang nag-a-adjust. Balik kayo. I am so happy. Nalipay kay kong dako nga ikaw, ani, Happy kay ko. Ug unta happy pud ka nga, nituyok ko para nimo.
Yeah! What she said.
Pero Hope, welcome
Good
to Team
job.
Supreme. Welcome.
I had her already. She's in my hands already.
May good news ako sa'yo. You're a free champion! So para lang alam ni Failin, medyo gitna ng kanta si Coach Martin.
Yeah!
Pumindot agad. And right at the end, sabay si Coach Casey and si Coach Bamboo. Congratulations! Good job, good job.
Hi, sweetheart.
Hello po.
Ano pangalan mo?
I am Maria Faylin Marihan po.
Anong ang paniniwala mo sa buhay?
Para po sa akin, I believe po na wala pong imposible.
Yes.
Kung mangangarap ka, abutin mo po yung pangarap mo. Katulad ko po, isa po akong totally blind. Yung same eyes ko po ay parehas po siya na wala nakikita. But ako po ay isang batang nangangarap. Isa po akong, naglalaro din po ako ng sport bukod po sa pagkanta. Ang sport ko po ay running, shot put, and long jump po.
Sabay-sabay? Ang gandang boses mo, yung kuhang-kuha mo yung feeling ng kanta kahit bata ka pa.
Thank you po.
Nandyan na lahat, no, guys? I think that I just want you to know, napaka-proud kung ako yung tatay mo. Proud na proud ako sa lahat ng sa performance mo, sa boses mo, sa mga notes na binigay mo sa amin. May shot put, may long jump,
May running.
at may running pa. Lahat na sa isa sa boses mo. And I'm so proud to be here in front of you, a potential coach for this beautiful person who probably sees more than all of us. In
Yes.
every song that you sing, you see the world in a different
Thank you
light.
po.
You see the world probably in a nicer way that we see it. So, maraming salamat.
Thank you po.
So, athlete pa to. So, competitive. Bagay na bagay ka dito. No?
Ako din, coach, oh.
At bagay ka sa Camp Kawayan kasi yun ang mga gusto namin, yung mga medyo fighters right? Umikot ako because I liked your voice. I heard the power, pero ito yun, I heard the potential, right?
Thank you
The
po.
potential. May mga parte pa na, medyo, kung ako coach mo, sabihin ko, Faylene, medyo preno ng konti, hindi natin kailangan gawin to. So, hopefully, makapunta ka sa team ko, Camp Kawayan, at ma-guide kita.
Thank you po.
Sobra akong na-amaze kasi kanina nung nakatalikod kami, parang simula pa lang para kang nasa Broadway. No? Yung parang umiiyak siya. Narinig ko yung mga kaya mong gawin as a singer. And sabi nga ni Coach Bamboo, may mga parts lang na kailangan nating matutunan na pumreno. Pero yun nga, mas madaling magbawas kaysa magdagdag. So you already have the ingredients na kailangan para umabot ka sa pinaka-dulo ng competition na ito. If you will choose me as your coach, like I always say, we will find the right songs for you. Kasi even if you say you are totally blind, when you perform, you allow us to see the world through your voice. And that's a very special gift na hindi lahat ng tao ay meron. Not even all singers have. So I hope you choose me as your coach, and I am just so excited of the things we could come
Thank
up
you
with
po.
pag pinili mo ako.
Are you ready to make your decision? Camp Kawayan, Team Supreme, or Mart Team? It's up to you, my dear.
Dahilan ko po kaya ko po siya pipiliin na idol na idol ko po talaga siya and matagal ko na po talaga siyang gustong ma-meet and ngayon po nandito na po ako at nandito na din po yung idol ko po. At alam ko po na mas matutulungan po niya ako sa singing career ko po. And ang pipiliin ko pong coach ay si Coach.
Take your time. Who's it gonna be?
Coach Martin po!
Thank you, Faylene. I'm going to give you a hoodie, okay?
Thank you po.
It's made of gold.
Oh my God!
Kunyari, it's gold. Yan, it's gold now because you're wearing it. Faylene is on Martin!
Congratulations!
We're gonna do well. We're gonna do well because you sing so well. Thank you. You're gonna teach me. Martin!
Congrats, Coach Martin, and congrats, Faylene! Okay, Faylene, 3 steps down.
Thank you,
1,
sweetheart.
2, 3.
She's got it down already.
I know.
Congrats.
Congratulations,
Thank you.
Faylene! Oh, dito ka, dito ka. Lola, dito.
After the first night of blind auditions,